Good morning. To all the televiewers out there, nationwide broadcasting of the show entitled How to Seduce a Sexy Woman. Women. So, together with my business friend, Ivan, he's a business tycoon, and my PA, Paolo Moreno. We have conducted a scientific research about how to seduce a woman. The first move we've enumerated at the moment, but there are a lot of them. The first move is what we call wink, single wink. That's how you do it. Single wink. Now the second one is wink, like this. You do this when the woman is approaching you. You are standing here and the woman will approach you. You execute that. And the third one, usually, pagka-third, doon na natatamahan sa aorta ng babae. Na in love. Yun ay my personal best, imang bioma exposure. Ayan. Ayan. Kita niya ulit. Now the fourth tayo. Ito talaga. Pagka hindi pa nakuha sa third part, sa fourth, Mona Lisa smile. Yun lang yun. Pero pagka ganun, dapat yung eye contact hindi mawawala pagka ganun. Kasi kahit single na ma-distract yung prospect mo, we call our client prospect. Ha? Ganun. Baka bumalik tayo sa single wink. Na, pagka ganun, punta na tayo sa panglima. Panglima, we call it B-complex scale. B-complex scale kasi B for body and brain. You have to assess your prospect, body and brain. That's sabi ni Ivan, saka ni Paolo, the boobs. Yeah. You assess from caudal to cephalo. Kasi pag nangyari cephalo-caudal, parang manyak. Yung manyak. From feet up, parang may pababang prinsesa, gano'n. You have to yung eye contact dapat hindi mawawala yan. Na yung six importante din. Ano yung six? Ha? Ayun. My personal best. So yung pinaka-conclusion, lion's roar. Ganito yun. Right. So that's how it ends our show. Thank you very much. Woo! Thank you, my brother. Woo! This is your host, Neb.